Hey there YouTube, Darrell Hammond here. DarrellHammond.com is my website. Go ahead and go there and check it out, but don't do it right now. You're going to want to pay attention to this review video I've got for you. Let me ask you something. Have you ever heard of Amazon? Well, of course you have. It's one of the biggest marketplaces on the internet today. And did you know that you can sell products on that marketplace? Well, you can. You can make a lot of money selling on Amazon. You can sell and fulfill yourself, or you can send products to have Amazon fill for you through their distribution centers. And that process is called Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA. So this is a wonderful way to make some money and to earn some coin selling products on one of the biggest marketplaces in the world. Here we are on my bonus page, and the product that we're going to be reviewing is called Limitless. And so what Limitless is an Amazon FBA training, and what they do is they show you how to kind of go around and market your products and find products to sell on Amazon. And they also are going to give you access to a software that you can utilize to help find these products to sell. Are you interested? Well, stick around. We'll jump inside the product here in a few minutes, and then we will check out the bonuses I have to offer for you when you purchase Limitless via any of the links on this bonus page, and the link to the bonus page is in the description below. These are the big buttons you're going to want to click. That'll take you to the sales page where you can pick up your copy of Limitless and learn how you can make a little bit of money selling on Amazon and get a piece of that humongous pie. All right, let's get into it. All right, like I said, we are on my bonus page, and the link to that bonus page is down in the description below this video. And we're going to go over the bonuses you're going to get real quick, and then we'll come back to them after we take a look at the members area of what you're going to get when you purchase Limitless. And then we'll kind of take a look at the sales page too and show you the bonuses that the vendor is going to provide for you. So let's scroll on down and take a look at the bonuses I have in store for you. And that is the pricing funnel. We will take a look at that here in a second, but for now, these are the bonuses you're going to get down and dirty. This is what it is. Your first bonus is going to be access to JavaScript Commission Bot Pro. And as you can see, John Armstrong's name is on these bonuses. I am in a program called Ministry of Freedom. It is a training program, and we have these done for you campaigns where the bonuses are given to us to offer to you, and then I've thrown in a few bonuses on top of them. And so you're going to get all of the bonuses that Jono has, and then I've thrown a few in on my own. So bonus number 2 is Jono's email marketing course. And then bonus number 3, get a surge of traffic to your Limitless product. It's going to show you a little more how to get some traffic to that product. And then bonus number 4 is a Bing ads course. You're going to get access to Jono's Bing ads course. And then this is one of the products that I've thrown in there. This is Effortless Facebook Profits. This is a Facebook ad training program. So you'll have some training on how to get and drive traffic to those products that you throw on Amazon to boost those sales and make even more money. And one more training program for you in advertising is AdWords retargeting tutorial. So we've kind of covered all the venues you got there. You're going to get AdWords, which is Google ads training. You're going to get Facebook ads training. You're going to get Bing ads training. You're going to get training on email marketing. And then another traffic training to drive lots of traffic to that product so you can make some good scratch. And then of course are all the extra bonuses that the vendor is going to provide for you, and we'll jump on that page, that sales page, take a look at what those are, and then we'll jump back to this bonus page and go over the pricing funnel. So here we are on the dashboard of Limitless. This is kind of the training video area. And you can see there are quite a few training videos, and these are all about the Limitless system. Training you how to find products on Amazon. There's a video about using the app that you're going to get access to, and we'll kind of jump into that, and I'll kind of explain what that is. He gives you three different hacks, a video about product sourcing. There's all kinds of great videos in here about Amazon and selling on Amazon and getting yourself a piece of that pie. Like I said, one of the biggest marketplaces on the internet today. So this is the app that you're going to get access to. It's called Trending Life. And so what it has a keyword tool, so you can see what the trending keywords are. And as you can see right now, today, Donald Trump, Graham Norton, CNN, Derek Mahan, North Ireland COVID. Those are some of the highest trending keywords on the internet right now. And then of course you can switch over. So then you can do the same thing with trending topics. You can just punch in a topic and it's going to give you what the trending topics are, because they may be a little bit different than what the keywords are. So they're going to give you a little more in the way of a phrase or a topic that is trending versus just a keyword. And you can utilize this app to be able to pick out some keywords that are trending and maybe be able to sneak those into your description of your product, so you can gain some traffic to that product that's just kind of organic. There's also a section on trending hashtags, so you can go in there and you can put in, say, a keyword, search it up, and then you can see what the trending hashtags are for that keyword, and then you can put those also in your listing or in your post. If you share, say, a post about your product on Facebook or on Instagram or Twitter, you can slap one of these hashtags on there and you're going to gather up some of that traffic that's kind of going towards those hashtags. So let's go ahead and jump back to the bonus page. We kind of looked and saw what the app is all about, what the training is all about. We're going to jump into the pricing funnel for this product, and then we'll jump over to the sales page real fast. We'll take a look at it real quick, and then go over the vendor bonuses, and then back over to what I'm giving you as far as bonuses on my end. So what Limitless is, it's an ultimate system to succeed on Amazon. So Dan and Carolyn Ashendorf have honed their knowledge as Amazon sellers over many years, and now they are passing it on to you in a series of insightful video tutorials. You'll be able to run a profitable Amazon business in less than 30 minutes a day for the ultimate in passive income. They have also put together a unique software to help you find trending products and keywords, and we just took a look at that. So the pricing on this is $17. That's the front end. There is a downsell of $3, so you'll end up paying just $14 for that. And most of the time, to get that downsell, you just have to act like you're going to close out of the page, and you should get a pop-up that'll give you an instant discount if you take advantage of the offer. So upsell number one, it's $47. That's for Limitless Pro. You're going to get access to e-com alert service, which provides you some gold dust product alerts for low competition, high volume products on Amazon to accelerate your earnings, plus Limitless Video Review Suite and Thumbnail Creator. There is a downsell on that for $37, so you're going to save $10 if you take it on the downsell. And how the downsell on the upsells work, that's kind of weird saying it all like that. Anyways, what you do is you scroll down and you'll see where it says, oh hey, take advantage of this, it's $47. You click on the no thanks dude, I don't want it right now. And that's where you're going to get the downsell price. They're going to give you an instant discount depending on what the upsell or what the discount is. And on the upsell number one, the OTO1 is $10. Upsell number 2 is Limitless Done For You. It's $197. There is a downsell of $97, so you're going to get that at a $100 discount. Skip the trial and error using their Done For You materials so you can start seeing results with Limitless even faster. Upsell number 3 is Limitless Traffic. It's $97. The downsell is $67, so a $30 discount on that. You can have your retargeting pixels on their sales pages for ready-made traffic. And then upsell number 4 is Limitless Reseller. You're going to get reseller rights for Limitless. It's $97. There's a downsell of $67, so you save $30 on that one. You can sell Limitless as your own product. You get to keep all the profit while using all of their sales and materials and support team, and there's nothing to upload or host. They do it all. You just get to market it as your own product. Upsell number 5 is Limitless Coaching. It's $77. There's a downsell of $57, saving you $20. You're going to get 12 weeks of group training with Dan. So you're going to be a part of a group of like-minded people being coached by Dan, a guy who's generated over 7 figures online. This is a huge discount considering he charges thousands normally for just a one-on-one session. And upsell number 6 is the Limitless Bundle. It's $77. The downsell is $57. You're going to save $20 on that downsell. You're going to get 5 of their previously launched products in the unlimited versions. So there you go. That is the pricing on this product. If you take advantage of it, you're going to be able to dominate this 916 billion, that's billion with a B, industry. It's 100% beginner friendly. It's a unique software to help you find trending product and keyword ideas. This isn't theory. This is time-tested, proven strategies that have generated them 6 figures with minimal effort. So, like I said, the link to this bonus page is in the description below. These are the big buttons you're going to want to click. It's going to take you to the sales page where you can pick up Limitless and put the training into action and start making some money selling products on Amazon. Let's see what the bonuses are from the vendor, because that's a lot of times what you guys are interested in are the bonuses. Some of these products are good. They're worth purchasing, but sometimes the bonuses are worth more, and that's what you want to get. So this one, I would say, is probably a good product. You're going to learn how to sell on Amazon. You're going to get a lot of useful information. A lot of the training programs for Amazon, for selling on Amazon, are crazy. I've been pitched one that was like $10,000. I'm sure there's some even higher price than that. I know one of the most popular ones is about $5,000. There are several that are in the $600 to $1,500 range, and you're going to get this one on the cheap. Plus, you're going to get all these bonuses. You're going to get live training, inside secrets to 6-figure affiliate marketing business. Bonus number 2, you're going to get Amazon Ads Master. So not only are you going to learn all about Google Ads, Bing Ads, Facebook Ads, you're also going to learn about Amazon Ads. Bonus number 3 is Traffic Scorpion. So you're going to get a lot of traffic training in this as bonuses. Bonus number 4 is Visitor Bullseye. That one is bonus number 4. Bonus number 5 is Keyword Magic. So you're getting a ton of bonuses for this. So let's jump back over to the bonus page and the bonuses that I have to offer. Once again, bonus number 1 is access to JavaScript Commission Bot Pro. Bonus number 2 is Jono's email marketing course. Bonus number 3 is get a surge of traffic to your Limitless product. Bonus number 4 is a Bing Ads class. That's access to Jono's Bing Ads course. From me, I'm throwing in on top of that a Facebook Ads course, Effortless Facebook Profits, and then I'm also throwing in Google AdWords retargeting tutorial, and then you're gonna also get all those vendor bonuses that are valued at $1,135. So that is an amazing package that you're gonna get for a very low amount of money. Once again, the pricing on that isn't that bad. So there you have it. My name's Darrell Hammond. I appreciate you stopping by, taking a moment to watch my review video. Go ahead and click that like button. Let me know how I'm doing in the comments below. Click on the subscribe button, ring that notification bell. You will get notified when I put out content like another one of these crazy good reviews. Well, I don't know if they're crazy good. You're going to have to let me know in the comments below. Go ahead, don't be shy, type something in there. It's not that hard. Just click, 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 hit enter, click the like button, click the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and that's a great day. So, like I said, my name's Darrell Hammond. Check out my website, darrellhammond.com. I appreciate you stopping by. You have a wonderful day. We'll see ya.